Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great hostess gift or gift for mom in under $6, for under $6. So now let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my ribbon and I'm going to bring it around to the back. So I know I should probably wait till after I've packed this, but because can be a little bit difficult. Now I want the right side of the ribbon up, so I'm going to do this here, so that way when I come around to the front, I'm going to have the right side of my ribbon to tie off to have my tails. So now that I've got this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Merry Christmas candies, I'm going to take my sugar cookie mix, I'm going to put everything down in the pan, and I have this great little pot holder glove, and we're just going to tie this off and tie it tight, and you'll have these little tails, and we're going to just dovetail the ends, and we'll dovetail the ends here. Whoops, my scissors didn't want to work. So now we have the ends dovetailed. I'm going to stick this aside really quickly. And now I'm going to take my Bowdabra and we're going to make a bow. So I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to make it long enough so it can, there. And then I'm going to lay this down. So I've folded it in half and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and we're going to make probably a 6 or 7 loop bow. I mean probably a 6 or 8 loop bow. So, and I'll just decide that as I'm making it. Now all I'm doing is folding and twisting. And we're just going to fold this back over here and twist, and fold and twist. And so what I love about this gift is you're actually giving like 5 gifts, and we'll do 2 more loops. So it's going to be an 8 loop bow. Bring this back over here and we're just going to end it there. And then what I'm going to do is I have these 2 cute little cookie cutters, and these were only 58 cents each. So we're just going to bring this through here, and I'm also going to take this adorable, because this goes right along with my tree and truck theme that we have here. We're going to just pull this through here, and I'm just going to, let's just tie a knot here, and we'll knot that, and I'm going to clip the ends, and I chose to use my silver Bowdabra bow wire because the pan is silver. I'm just going to lay this down in here, take my wand and give everything a little push down into my Bowdabra. And now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring this up here, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out, and I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back. I'm going to tie a knot, tie another knot, then I'm going to tie it onto my pan, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this here and gather it and tie it around bow. So I'm just going to bring this underneath. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to tie a knot, and I'm going to just do a double knot here. Actually, I think I'm going to do a triple knot. Now I'm just going to clip, you know what, I'm going to just clip the ends here. And now I'm going to shape my bow. Now that it's tied off, I'm just going to fluff the ends and bring my cookie cutters around here so you can see them, and my cute little truck. And you have this adorable, inexpensive gift. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.